Hello students, we'll be discussing two important announcements which are today given by ICAI regarding postponement of examination and SOPs during November 2020 ICAI examinations. So first is regarding examinations in Bihar. I'm not discussing. If you are a student from Bihar, you can just read this first paragraph out. Second is for foundation. Now understand, this first point and second point are not linked. This is for all the students. So all the students appearing in foundation examination, their examination is postponed. It is brought to notice of all students that said examination, that is foundation examination for all students, shall now be held on 19th, 21st, 23rd and 25th. Is it alright? Of course, it will be paper number 1, 2, 3, 4 on this 4 days. Paper wise schedule shall be informed later on. This is once again an opt-out scheme is eligible for who are suffering from COVID-19 or having symptoms. So they might be giving some declaration form whereby you can opt for opt-out scheme. So if this is your last due, or if there is any carry forward in intermediate and final examination, that will be applicable in May 2021 examination also. Is it not? If you go for this opt-out scheme. SOPs for the students, that also we are going to discuss. Now understand, SOPs for examination centers, center superintendent, I am not discussing, but for students we are discussing. So this is guidelines for examination for students. Candidates are required to strictly adhere to the guidelines and process for social distancing and hygiene to ensure safety and health of their own and fellow candidates. Candidates to check reporting entry time at the center given in the admit card and to reach the center as per reporting time only to avoid any crowding at the center at the time of entry and to maintain social distancing. So this was expected, and this is there. All the candidates must ensure before reaching the examination center that they do not have any symptoms or suffering from COVID-19 disease. Candidates need to maintain social distancing from each other. Candidates must ensure to report at the examination hall not before 1 p.m. Now this is for the students whose examination starts at 2 p.m. but they may carry a transparent bottle of drinking water. So if you carry a bottle, ensure that it is a transparent bottle. Hand sanitizer is now allowed, that you can carry hand sanitizer and admit card. Candidates will not be allowed to carry their mobile phones, passports, other electronic gadgets, books or written materials back inside the examination hall. This is as per previous examinations only. At the entrance, the candidate shall be subject to thermal temperature scanning and sanitization of hand. Is it all? Candidates and other functionary having body temperature of more than the prescribed limit will not be allowed entry in the examination center. However, their records will be maintained. Now try to understand, it is advisable that 3 hours, 4 hours before examination, you check your temperature at your home itself. If your temperature is above normal, you should not go into examination hall itself, because if the temperature is abnormal, it is not normal, then you will not be allowed in examination center. And this is for safety of other students also. Is it all right? So this guidelines, I think, will be followed very strictly. So if you are having a abnormal body temperature, you should not even go to your examination hall. Candidates shall continue to wear face mask and shall remove the same only at the time of their personal identification. In case of malfunctioning of the mask, candidate may contact the room invigilator to provide the mask to such candidate. Try to understand, always wear that use and throw mask, and carry a couple of masks. Even if it is available at examination center, it is advisable to carry your own mask. Now in this, you should also practice some of the question paper writing. If you are writing at your home, it is also advisable. If you are writing at your classes, then also it is advisable. Write your examination 3 hours, 2 hours examinations wearing your mask. so that you get comfortable zone when you are writing your actual ICAI examination. This is one of the most important thing to practice. Whenever you are writing your prelims examination, wear a mask during writing of examination, even if you are alone. Is it alright? So that you get practice of writing the examination wearing a mask. Is it alright? Candidates shall seek permission of all room invigilator for use of washroom and shall sanitize their hand. This is a normal thing. Can bring their personal water bottle, keep the same on the bench. All the candidates are advised to carry a small transparent bottle hand sanitizer. All candidates are advised to cooperate with the examination functionary. All candidates are advised to bring their own pen. Now this is important. You should carry your own pens. You should carry 2 or 3 pens, 2 or 3 pencils, 2 calculator always, because borrowing is strictly prohibited. So if you are in the subject like accountancy and your calculator fails, it will be a big problem. See, even if this is a very basic thing which I am telling you, but still it might be extremely important if your calculator fails actually in examination. On completion of the examination, the candidate will be permitted to move out in orderly manner at a time. Please wait for the instruction from invigilator and do not get up from your seat until advised. So here also they will follow some social distancing norms. The gloves. Now understand, gloves will also be permitted in your examination hall, but it is very difficult to write down with your gloves. Is it alright? So what you can do is just wear a gloves if you want to wear it, and during writing of examination you can just remove it. Mask should be disposed of in pedal post covered bin at the examination center and outside the examination center hall. So even if it is not written, they are assuming that you will be carrying that use and throw mask. Required distance will be maintained without crowding off anywhere at any time. Candidates shall make sure that they come to the center well in time and do not clog the outside road if they are coming in their own vehicle, which should be parked at an appropriate place. Keeping in the view the general condition, the candidates who have completed their paper in time will be allowed to exit the examination center from 4 p.m. onwards. So this was not permitted before, but now it is permitted so that social distancing can be managed. While the admit card will be printed online, the candidates have to give consent to following various guidelines issued by the government authorities as also the ICAI. In case a candidate is a minor, he or she must undertake that he or she is appearing in this examination with the consent and permission of her parents, guardians, by the way of filling up a format which candidate can get while printing of his or her admit card and submit deposit the said undertaking format duly signed by his or her parents and guardian at the room hall of the examination center. Now this is important. When you print out your admit card, you will also get a consent form which you need to fill up, signed by yourself or by your parents. You need to submit it to examination hall. So this is new and this is only related to this COVID-19. All candidates must ensure entry in the examination hall wearing a mask at all the time. So this is most important. Practice wearing of mask and writing the examination. General instruction to CA examination must be adhered to by candidate. So all other instructions will be as it is. Otherwise, this additional instruction you should follow. So best of luck to all the students for your ICAI examination.